What's up, my people? Today I just want to show you how you can print interim driving license. So what you're supposed to do is for you to go to Chrome or Google Chrome, and then you will be able to type Ntsa. Be able to type Ntsa interim, and then you click next, click enter. So after clicking enter, which means you are supposed to come here to this generate interim driving license, then you click on it. So in this page, you will be required to enter your ID number and then click search. So once you click search, it means that now your interim will be revealed down there, and then you will be able to print your interim driving license. So in this new system of Ntsa, many people are finding it difficult to locate their interim driving licenses, but at first they have left the application in Ntsa Team's account, where you'll be able to click a new driving license, and then once you pay, it means that you have paid for interim, and there they will not print there then until you come back here, so that you can be able to print your interim driving license. So that is it, my dear friends. Remember to subscribe to my channel.